Looking for top-notch window replacement services in Pell City? Our team of window installation experts in Pell City specializes in providing energy-efficient windows and custom window solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you need slider windows Pell City, or double-pane windows Pell City, we have the perfect solution for you. Enhance your home's aesthetic with our wide range of window style options, Pell City. From vinyl windows, Pell City, to slider windows, Pell City, our window design consultation. Pell City ensures you find the perfect match for your home. Our window contractor Pell City is dedicated to delivering high-quality window frame installation, Pell City, and window fitting services, Pell City. Upgrade your home with our residential window upgrades, Pell City. Our window efficiency upgrades, Pell City, are designed to improve your home's insulation and reduce energy costs. Choose from our insulated window options, Pell City, and enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient slider windows, Pell City. Our window customization, Pell City, allows you to create the perfect look for your home. For those in need of window replacement services, Pell City, our team offers comprehensive window maintenance, Pell City, and window sealing services, Pell City. We ensure your windows remain in top condition with our window glass replacement, Pell City, and window hardware upgrades, Pell City. Trust our window measurement services, Pell City, to provide precise and accurate results. Discover affordable slider windows, Pell City solutions with our expert window installation services. Our home window improvements, Pell City, are designed to enhance both the functionality and appearance of your home. With our window contractor, Pell City, you can expect professional and reliable service every time. Contact us today for your window design consultation, Pell City, and explore our extensive range of window style options, Pell City. Our window installation experts, Pell City, are ready to assist you with all your window needs, from window frame installation, Pell City, to window efficiency upgrades, Pell City. Experience the difference with our custom window solutions, Pell City, and enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home. Enhance your home with our slider windows, Pell City, designed for easy operation, energy efficiency, and maximum natural light. Our expert team in Pell City ensures precise installation and durable performance, helping you upgrade your windows with style, comfort, and functionality.